They are the laziest bears on Earth. So here are the top 3 facts about giant pandas. Number 3 is that pandas have to eat for up to 14 hours every single day because bamboo provides them with very little energy. Number 2 is that they poop approximately 40 times a day, which means they spend their entire life just eating and going to the bathroom. Number 1 is that female pandas are known to fake pregnancies, pretending to be expecting a baby just so the zookeepers will give them extra buns and better treatment. Bamboozle that like button and subscribe for more cute facts.